Well, Farm Bureau started to service the farmers. Many years ago, the insurance industry had a reluctance to service the farmers throughout the country, and Farm Bureau started forming their own companies in the various states. You do not have to be a farmer to have insurance with us.
Our slogan is real service, real people. We teach our adjusters and require our adjusters to do three things when they're handling a claim: be prompt, be courteous, and be fair.
I've sold insurance. I probably know about insurance more than a normal person would, but I depend on my agent, and I want to be local, and if I got a claim, I want that claims person local.
It is important that the agent understand the needs of the customers, and certainly the changes in the household, whether it be a new birth of a baby or a teenage driver. But those things are important, and as a result of being in that community, they really understand.
Well, we constantly challenge our agents to get with the clients at least once a year if they can. You need to make sure that your coverages are coordinated. There's a lot of discounts that go back and forth between homeowners and car insurance and that type of thing.
All of our adjusters are still out in the field. They're living and working in the areas where they handle claims. Many of them were born, raised, and educated in the area where they're located. And we think that makes a big difference in giving them the ability to empathize with people when they've had a loss.
The last several years have been challenging not only for Louisiana, but quite frankly for a lot of other states also. But we certainly have had our share of natural disasters, but I think our industry has done very well in working through those issues. But it does change the perspective of a company, and being the largest is not necessarily the most important, but it's being in a position to honor that commitment that you've made to your policyholders that is. And so we're doing what we can to make sure that we manage our company and are in a position to take care of our customers should another event take place.
Well, if bad things didn't happen, you wouldn't need insurance. So they're trained to handle situations when they arise. You have to be up to date and up to speed on all these products and just continue to know where the trends are in the industry and what's going on.
We use technology, I think, in a good blend. We have the ability for an insured to pick up the phone and make a phone call to a toll-free number, report their claim, and have it assigned immediately electronically to an adjuster.
You still need, when there's a problem, you need that real person to talk to, and it gives you a lot of comfort, and that's what we're here for.
All of the policies that we write basically tell you the same thing in the event of a loss. Take steps to make sure you don't have further damage, preserve the property if possible, keep any records that may be pertinent to the loss, and report it to us as quickly as you can, because the sooner you report it, the quicker we can get out there and put our eyes on it and get our hands around it and try to help you resolve the matter.
We are here in Baton Rouge and have been in Louisiana for over 60 years. We're not looking to leave the state. We know that we have to operate our company in an efficient way that we can survive long term. We are here for the long haul, and that is our commitment. We are doing what we can to manage our company. Sometimes that's popular, sometimes it's not, as you know, but it is the right thing for us to do long term. When
Katrina and Rita hit, we had a tremendous outpouring of support from Farm Bureaus all over the country. We have an agreement amongst all the Farm Bureau states that we will go to the aid of a sister state, whether it's in southern or anywhere else, who's had catastrophic losses and needs claims adjusting help. We'll send our people. We have 3 folks in Mississippi right now and 3 in Arkansas helping them in the aftermath of those. Our goal is to have people there the next day if possible, and I think after most of these storms we were able to actually pay some claims as soon as a day to 2 days after the storm made landfall.